Alright guys, good afternoon. I am coming to you now from Lordsburg, New Mexico. We're here to check out the Amtrak stop that's here and what's right around that Amtrak station. Let's go make some memories. Alright, this Lordsburg, New Mexico Amtrak stop is very similar to the one that we just did in Benson, Arizona. Here's the stop, the official sign, and then here is your train station. A covered shelter and 2 benches. There is no actual train station here. It's literally just the little thing that we just showed you. There's the train tracks looking that way to the east, which is towards Deming, New Mexico, which I believe is the next stop on the Amtrak station going that way, and then also eventually you run into El Paso. And then looking back this direction is back toward Benson, Arizona, and Tucson as well, and then over towards the Phoenix area. And then as you can see, if you were to get off the train here, most of the stuff looks like it's closed, unfortunately, but there is an old cafe right there, a Mexican food cafe. Looks like they closed and went out of business. That's pretty much it on that side of the tracks. But then over here on this side of the train tracks, you see a whole line. This probably used to be a happening spot in the 1950s and 60s when people were still traveling by train. You've got a Western auto shop. There's a bank right there. A bottle shop, an antique store. Gift shop right here. Menudo's. Wait till that truck to go by, he's kind of loud. Menudo's, that's right over there. Then you've got JJJ Cafe, and then a bunch of other abandoned storefronts all down there until you see there's like a Ford dealership or a Ford repair shop. Right about there is the Ford shop. So there's not much here. If you were to get off in Lordsburg, the exit that we got off the highway, which was Interstate 10, going back in this direction to the west, the exit we got off right back here, when it takes you off, there is a hotel. There's like a Hampton Inn. There's a couple of hotels with some gas stations, places to grab, you know, fast food, that kind of stuff. But as far as right at this general area where you get off right here, there's not much here. And I see a sign too right here that says Lordsburg Post Office is on that sign right there, and it also says Memorial Park. So there's some sort of park there, and then the post office as well. So yeah, there's not much. And then there's a motel past where I showed you the Ford dealership. Looking back to the east, I see a sign that says restaurant, one that says motel. So there are a few things within a little bit of walking distance, but not too much. But yeah, there's not much here. So if you're traveling to Lordsburg, there's not much here. Make sure your ride's here when you get here. If you need to catch the Amtrak, there's not much of a shelter. So on a day like today where it's actually starting to sprinkle on me as I'm recording this, there's not much shelter. So if you get dropped off and you've got hours to wait and there's a bad storm rolling through, you could find yourself in some trouble. Alright, so this is going to do it for our quick little stop in Lordsburg to check out the Amtrak station. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that button down below that says like. Give us that big blue thumbs up. Helps out the channel. If you're subscribed to the channel, thank you for watching again. If not, hit that subscribe button down below. If you want to see traveling content and other train related content, please subscribe to us. Leave a comment down below. If you ever passed through Lordsburg before, I've actually stayed in the hotel that's at the next exit on a previous vacation. But right now on this one, we're just kind of passing through and figured we'd record this video for the train station. But yeah, leave us a comment down below. And as always, we will see you soon.